everyone. So to continue the holiday series, we are going to make an arrangement in a mug. And you can do it in any type of mug I happen to have this one from last year. It was a Floral container that I really liked because it was a snowman. And otherwise during the year, I drink my coffee out of it. It's dishwasher safe and everything, so I was very excited. But you can use any mug you have. I put 1/3 of a bar of Oasis in it, and I did have to shave it down to fit the mug. And now I'm gonna stick my greens in all the way around. We're gonna go with a balsam around the edges. And then in between, we'll stick some white pine in. The variety of greens gives a great texture. And your whole house will definitely smell of Christmas for sure. And these mugs make a great gift for someone. It's a quick thing to make. It's a small arrangement, so you don't even need that much in greens. And then you can add things to it. You can add a little package of hot chocolate, a little package of coffee, some cookies, candies. And it's definitely an adorable gift to give to a friend, neighbor, teacher. Or you could do the mug and stick a gift card in it to Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks. There's so many possibilities with it. Got my boxwood in, and we're ready to add flowers. So for this one, I am going to make the arrangement all white, just like the snow for my snowman here. I'm gonna stick some stock in the middle of it. It's gonna be my taller flower. And then I'm going to put in some white lilies. And these definitely need to open a little more. And as they open, make sure you pull out your pollen. So we'll stick some on one side. We'll grab another stem to stick on the other side for balance. And then after that, we are going to grab some mums. We'll dot those all around. There we go. Turn it around, make sure we get the back of the mug. And of course you could always make the arrangement one-sided if you want to lean it up against something. And if you were to do that, then you wouldn't have to worry about the flowers in the back. You would just start your other flowers a little further back. And as always, make sure that the flower is in that oasis so it can drink. And of course, don't forget to, during the week, add water to the cup to help the flowers last longer. And with this arrangement, just like my other ones in the holiday series, as the flowers die out, you can just replace the flowers, but you'll already have a greened container, so you'll have half the work. And then I am going to take some of my baby's breath and fill that in. It's like adding little pieces of snow. Add a few more pieces. Let's get another stem. We'll add one piece there, maybe one more piece towards the top. There we go. Nice all white flowers, and just to add a little color that's in my mug, I'm going to take some red ornament balls and just put a few in. Just to bring out the scarf that's in that mug. You can stick some candy canes in. That would also make it festive. Add another little mum here where I missed a spot. And there you go. A nice quick mug that you can give to a friend. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. See you next time.